So, what is Pictory? Simply put, Pictory turns text into videos automatically. You can take scripts, articles, blog posts, or even ideas in text form, and Pictory will create a professional-looking video with visuals, stock clips, captions, and transitions. You can also add an AI-generated voiceover, making it perfect if you don't want to record your own voice. This tool is ideal for content creators, freelancers, and anyone looking to start a side hustle without investing hours in editing software. Here's how you can make money with Pictory. Short marketing videos for businesses. Small businesses always need promotional videos. You can create them fast and sell them for $20 to $100 per video depending on complexity. YouTube content. Transform blog posts or tutorials into videos and monetize your channel with ads. Freelance video services. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer have huge demand for short, professional videos. Affiliate marketing videos. Make product review or tutorial videos, then include affiliate links. Videos boost engagement and conversions. Let me walk you through a simple example. Step 1. Take a short blog post or a script about a topic you want to create a video on from ChatGPT. Step 2. Copy it into Pictory's text-to-video tool. The software will automatically break the text into scenes. Step 3. Pictory selects matching stock footage and images for each scene, which means you can add or remove any image that doesn't belong there with just a simple click. Step 4. You can add an AI-generated voiceover, background music, or captions. Step 5. Preview and export your video. In just a few minutes, you have a ready-to-publish video. Compare this to traditional video editing. You'd usually spend hours finding clips, cutting, adding effects, and recording voiceovers. Pictory does it in minutes. To start turning this into a side hustle, look for small businesses, content creators, or YouTube channels that need videos. Offer your service on Fiverr, Upwork, or social media. Use Pictory templates to speed up production. Build a small portfolio, and as you get clients, you can charge more and scale your side hustle. So that's a quick overview of how Pictory can help you create videos and earn money online. If you want, I have put together a full course on how to use other AI tools for making money. The link is in the description.